Mariam. Where are eggs? Eggs. Bravo. Where is sugar? Bravo, sugar. No, sugar, Mariam, sugar. Yes, this is sugar. Where is the chocolate? Where is flour? Flour. Yes. Where is butter? Thank you. Goodbye, Mariam. Say goodbye. Hello, Zizu.
Hello.
Where is the chocolate? Bravo. Where is the word the chocolate? Which one? Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Huh? The word the chocolate. Where? I can see it. Bravo. This is a chocolate. Super. Okay. Where is sugar? Okay. Sugar. Yes. Where is the word sugar? Sugar. Okay. Where is the word sugar? The word sugar. No. Sugar. No. This is sugar, Zizu. Okay. Where is butter? What is the word butter? Butter. Thank you. Where is flour? Flour. Yes. Where is the word flour? Flour. Yes. Super. Where are eggs? Eggs. And where is the word egg? Egg. Thank you, Zizu. Say goodbye. Hello, Ahmad. Can you tell me where is sugar? Sugar, yes. Where is the chocolate? Where is flour? Bravo. Where is eggs? Where are eggs? Eggs, yes. Where is butter? Thank you. Say goodbye. What do we need to make the cookies?
We need eggs, we need butter, we need sugar, we need chocolate, we need sugar,
Flour.
flour.
Okay, thank you. What do we need to make the cookies?
Hello.
Can you tell me what it is? Eggs. Can you give me the word eggs? Show me the word eggs. Yes, egg. Thank you. What is this, Bibo?
Butter.
Batter. What is the word batter? Show me. This is the word batter? Yes. Okay. What is this, Bibo?
Sugar.
What is the word sugar? Show me. What is the word sugar? Sugar? Yes. Super. And what is this, Bibo?
Chocolate.
Give me the word chocolate. Thank you. Super.
Do I need sugar to make the cookies? Yes, we do. Do I need butter to make the cookies? Do I need chocolate to make the cookies? Yes, we do. Do I need flour to make the cookies? Yes, we do.
Yes, Farida, ask Malak about the carrots. Say, do we need carrots?
Do I need flour to make the cookies?
Do we need carrots, Maluka? No, we don't. Say, no, we don't. Yes, Carlos?
Do I need sugar to make